Ito yun sa amin to. Parang pag may gusto kang bilhin, hindi ka magtitipid. So kaya nung unang beses akong sumweldo, luho talaga kung ano yung gusto ko. Kasi parang feeling mo na-deprive ka di ba? Sinabi ni John, wala tayong pera, was said often even when we had enough. Yung kay Leia naman, we have enough lang for ourselves. So the belief that was taught there is money is always lacking. Like to Jen's words nga, scarcity mindset yung tinuro. Second is money was spent immediately on treats or luxuries. Ito yun sa amin to. Parang pag may gusto kang bilhin, hindi ka magtitipid. So kaya nung unang beses akong sumweldo, luho talaga kung ano yung gusto ko. Kasi parang feeling mo na-deprive ka di ba? So the belief that was taught is spend money fast or lose the chance to enjoy it kasi baka hindi na maulit, baka hindi na dumating. Yan. So, mom tracked every centavo in a notebook. Ganyan ba yung parents nyo or ganyan ba kayo? You must control money or it will control you. Na parang nagkaroon tuloy ng stress surrounding money, di ba? Ganyan ba yung pakiramdam mo? Or, nagsusugal ba, not just that, masyado naman, anyone in your family nagsusugal or tumataya para lang ayusin yung financial problems instead of learning how to manage yung finances. Anong belief na tinuturo niyan? The only way out is a big win or a big risk, di ba? Which is not necessarily true. Kasi may mga opportunities, small sale here or small referral here, di ba? It could accumulate to help you fix your financial problems. Now, we only bought new things during holidays. Meron ba sa inyo nakaka-relate dyan? Na sobrang hinihigpitan. Ay, 'di ba? Kasi ibig sabihin parang hindi madaling dumating. Parang ganun yung belief na tinuturo. And there's nothing wrong with that kasi yun yung na-experience ng mga magulang natin. But it doesn't have to be what is our truth. So ito nga, we only bought new things during holidays. Ang belief na tinuro niya is you don't deserve good things unless special occasion. I guess it also goes dun sa hindi ko alam kung nangyari yan sa inyo. Yung mga magagandang plato, magagandang baso, hindi ginagamit unless may bisita. Bakit hindi? Nabubulok lang. The belief around these things is that mahirap kumuha ng pera. Yung isa naman dito is parent always fought about money at month end. Ang belief naman na bigay niyan sa atin, kung meron man sa inyo niyan, is money causes conflict and stress.